Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. If you're here for the first time, do hit the subscribe button and don't forget to also hit the bell icon to get all future updates. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you how you can use all your scrap lying around at home to make this pretty coin purse. This is also one of the best make and sell ideas. If you have excess fabric that is left out after stitching a blouse or kurti or salwar, anything of that sort, unused material, you can use those and make this pretty coin purse, and you can also sell them. So now without any delay, let's get started. This is a leftover piece from a pair of old jeans. I actually made a couple of stuffed bones for Cooper, after which I just have one piece of leg that is left out. So using this, we will make a coin purse today. I'm going to take the wider side. We will be needing 10-inch long and 5-inch wide piece. So for the same, I'm going to use a scale and mark chalk to mark. So from here I'm going to measure 10 inches. So this is the 10-inch mark. And width I'm going to take 5 inches. So from this stitch to this stitch it is 5 inches. So I'm just going to cut till the stitch. But here it is slightly wide. So I'm just going to make a straight line and then mark 5 inches. And then join this. Now we'll just cut this piece out. I'm just going to cut one layer. I have not opened the seam, so this piece isn't round. But since I just want one piece, I'm going to cut only one piece. That's from the top. This is the denim piece I just cut, and for the inner lining I'm using an old shirt. Again, this shirt I used to sew a stuffed ball for Cooper. It is left out. In that project I had just used the sleeve part, so the entire shirt is left and I'm just using the back part. So I'm going to cut this in the same size, 10 inches long and 5 inches wide. So inside I'm using this kind of sponge sheet, which is like 2 mm thickness. So this comes in meters like this. So I've just cut the piece in the same length as the main part and the lining part. So I have all 3 pieces cut in the same size. So this is how we are going to place these. The first will be the lining, and then on top of it goes the sponge sheet. If you don't have sponge sheet, you can also use fusing canvas or the regular buckram. And then goes the main part. Now just to give it a curved shape, I'm going to fold this and make a curved line like this in the end, in the corner in fact, and then cut it on the line. So I've just used a marking chalk to draw the curve. Just draw and cut on the line. I have arranged all 3 pieces like this: the lining, the sponge sheet and the main fabric. Now I'm just going to stitch the outline on all the sides, leaving half an inch seam allowance. Just half an inch will do. So same way you will have to stitch on the remaining 3 sides. I've stitched all 4 sides. Now we'll just fold this straight end and stitch it like this. I've stitched the straight line. Now we'll just fold the straight side to the desired length you want, and this will be the open and close part. So now what I'll do is I'm just going to stitch one straight line here and one straight line on the other side. We'll stitch it on the same line. Just repeat the same thing on the other side. I had a long piece of lace which was lying around, so I'm just going to use that to conceal the raw edges here. I've measured and I've taken the piece, folded it on either sides because I don't want it to be too wide when I conceal. I've ironed it so that it gets easy when I'm stitching. So this is how we will be concealing the ends. So place the end like this and just start sewing right on top of this. So we'll have to make sure the previous stitch gets covered to get neat finishing. So I've stitched the lace. Now we'll just add a press button. So I have these press buttons. I'm just going to hand stitch them like this. And then I also have a wooden button here, just to give it a little fancy look. So I've taken cotton thread in the normal sewing needle. I'm just going to pick this fabric, not going to touch the outer fabric. Make 2 to 3 stitches in each hole. Here our coin purse is ready. It's almost a zero cost project because I've just used the leftovers, starting from fabric to lace to button to press buttons. Everything was just lying around and I've just got them together to make this. So similarly, you can sew this in your cotton fabrics or any excess leftover fabrics after you stitch your kurti or salwar. You can use nice contrast combinations. If you don't have sponge, you can use canvas or buckram sheet like I already mentioned. So this is how it looks from the back and front. You can put this in your handbag. You can use it to save coins or your debit or credit cards, or it can also hold a napkin, sanitary pads, tissues. You can use it for anything you want. It's very small, it looks really cute, and once you sew this for yourself, I'm sure you will smile at yourself. So yeah, that's about it in today's video. So I hope you guys like this idea. In case you did, please do give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Keep sharing our videos with your friends. Connect with me on all our social media. If you have any requests, please leave them in the comment section below. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.